to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a requested video by you guys, so it's delivered today. It is the easy summer glow and go look that I did on my Worth the Splurge video just a couple of days ago. So if you want to know how to get that look with almost all affordable products, hit that subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, so I look like a ghost because my foundation is on. And if you think my foundation is pretty, make sure you tune in tomorrow for Foundation Friday because it's a brand new launch and it's an affordable one, another one. All right, so you guys were so sweet. I have to give you guys credit in the comments section or in the community tab on my channel. You guys are so cute. Amy Bond says, requested and delivered. So I asked you guys what I should call this look, and she says requested and delivered. And I just love that. So that's gonna be part of the title for sure. And then I do have to thank Crystal and Michelle. You guys both inspired me to call this everyday glow and go summer look. All right, so let's get started. First of all, I started with the Elle eyeshadow palette. This is a brand new launch. It's their Retro Paradise palette. I've been wearing this literally like nonstop. I love this palette. So affordable, yet so well done. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Canvas all over the lid. This is just to take care of the coloring I already have on my eyes. You don't have to do this if you want to go with the natural coloring you have, or if you want to use concealer first, whatever you want to use, but this is what I did. You guys are going to be so shocked how easy this is. By the way, I'm using a BK Beauty Brush 206. For the first color, I am going in with Sandy Bum on the same darn brush. And I'm actually going to go all over the lid and up into the crease with these kind of back and forth wish-washing motions, or windshield wiper motions, whatever you want. I just think this color is so beautiful. I love this color. And I literally just went in from the whole bottom, from the outside of the corner all the way in. Literally that easy. I'm gonna take a smudging brush from Sigma, and I just went really lightly. Now this is something I do most days just because my eyes are a little bit uneven, and I like to have a little bit of a drop shadow. You don't have to do this part. I don't usually do my foundation first because there's just a touch of fallout with this palette, but it's fine. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and I am going into, I think it's Cacao, deeper color. And I'm gonna go along my lash line and smudge it up into the crease a little bit just to add some depth. This is a BK Beauty Brush 207. They just sent me a bunch in PR, so that's why I'm using them. They're sitting here in front of me. Taking that first brush again, back and forth. And I don't bring that dark color all the way in. I just literally leave it on the outside edges. This is one of the easiest ways to really create great depth and dimension and not have to crowd your eye if your eyes are smaller. You know what I'm saying? And I kind of just finesse this out here on the outside. I bring it out to make my eyes look a little bit bigger and wider. That's as easy as that is. And then I'm going to take my my favorite color in this palette, which is Parasio. Horrible at names like this, but I'm just going to go like that guy. This is why the look looks a little bit wet, and there is fallout with this color, so just be careful. Just do your foundation after. And then I just bring this all the way in. Look at that, how pretty that is. Yep. And you just want to use pressing motions when you're applying this. And that's as easy as the eye look is. Now, of course, we have to finish off the rest of the face and mascara. So what I used, and now this is one of the ones that's not drugstore or affordable. It's the Charlotte Tilbury New Bronzer on my Elle brush. And I'm just gonna give the skin some warmth. And if you need to know how to place your bronzer and your blush, I have a whole video on it. I will link it below. And I actually use this product in there. I do it with cream and with powder. See how they just come, I mean, bronzer is so beautiful, right? Across the nose. Really brings a lot of life to the look, doesn't it? Then I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Vintage Rose. So with this look, I went with something that has a little bit more peach in it, and then the blush does have a little bit of a sheen to it, just to reinforce that summer glow. And it's just a really beautiful pigmented blush. Isn't this blush beautiful? I just put on some mascara. Super quick, pick your favorite mascara. All right, so all we have left is lips. I'm going to be using the Elle lip liner that is in this collection. I was sent that Elle collection in PR. It's, I love lip liners. All right, so this is the only other one in this whole demonstration that is not drugstore, and it is the Fenty Beauty New Lipstick. It is the perfect summer color. I love this lipstick. All right, so just want to spritz it with a little bit of rehydrating spray because that always makes everything glow. And of course, you could go throughout the face with your finishing powder of choice. That for me is the Diffuse Light by Hourglass. You don't have to, but it does make it a little more glowy. And I usually like to do it in the face, the center of the face. With this look, just for me, I like to pop the blush a little bit closer to the apples of my cheeks. They're a little bit higher. So if you actually have an oval face, a longer face that's pretty angular, this brush technique, or this blush technique I should say, would be great for you to bring your blush a little bit more forward on the apples, and it'll make things look a little bit rounder. What do you guys think? Doesn't that eye look fantastic? It looks like it's wet. And this literally took me probably 7 minutes, this whole thing. So if you guys try this, if you guys pick up these products, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed this quick summer glow and go look, and I will see you all on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.